Installing Red Hat Linux Server. Complete step-by-step setup for beginners. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, is one of the most reliable, secure, and enterprise-ready Linux distributions used by organizations around the world. Whether you're setting up a data center, configuring a corporate server, or learning system administration, installing Red Hat Linux Server is an essential skill for any IT professional. This detailed guide walks you through the complete installation process of RHEL 9 of 8 from scratch. You'll learn how to prepare your system, configure partitions, set up networking, create user accounts, and install essential packages for a secure and optimized Linux server environment. Magnifying glass still to the left, why choose Red Hat Linux Server? Red Hat is a trusted Linux distribution used by enterprises for mission-critical workloads. Its robust support, security features, and long-term updates make it the go-to choice for web servers, database servers, file servers, virtualization hosts, DevOps and automation platforms, laptop computer system requirements. Before beginning the installation, make sure you have a 64-bit system with at least 2 GB RAM and 20 GB storage, a valid Red Hat subscription or developer account for updates, RHEL ISO file downloadable from Red Hat's official site, bootable USB or virtual machine environment, e.g. VMware VirtualBox, Hammer and Wrench step-by-step installation overview. Download RHEL ISO. Get the latest RHEL version from Red Hat's official website. You may need to register for a free developer subscription. Create bootable media. Use tools like Rufus or Balena Etcher to create a bootable USB drive. Boot from installation media. Boot your physical machine or virtual machine using the RHEL ISO. Choose installation language and keyboard. Select your preferred language and input method. Set time and date. Choose the correct time zone to sync server logs properly. Configure installation destination. Use guided or manual partitioning based on your server needs, LVM recommended. Set network and host name. Enable networking and assign a static IP if needed. Set a unique host name for your server. Create user and root password. Set strong credentials for system access. Choose software selection. For server setup, select server with GUI or minimal install based on your requirements. Begin installation and reboot. Wait for the installation to complete, then reboot the system.